So this is the new MacBook Pro 16-inch. Welcome back to Doko's Reviews, and today we're going to be doing an overall review of the new MacBook Pro 16-inch. Alright, so let's jump into the unboxing. Let's check this out. Man, you know what I think, Uni? I think this thing got some thickness on it. The box is pretty thick. Look at that thing, man. This is thick as hell. Oh my gosh. Apple really wanted to protect this MacBook Pro. So let's check this out. Let's get this thing here. So this is the MacBook Pro. Okay. So let's see here. Right, already I already like this. This looks pretty cool. Okay. Okay, let's take this out. This side right here. Okay. So let's see what's in here. Okay. Let's open this up. Wow, there you go. Right off the bat. Once you remove the paper, it automatically turns on, as you can see there. Pretty cool. All right, guys, so let's check out what's going on inside. Let's see here. This is pretty cool. It's got the same USB-C, I guess. This is the cord, and it looks the same length as the other MacBook Pros. Okay, it's got the manual, booklet, and all that stuff. What's this? Okay, so this is different. This is like bigger. Yes, this one feels way more heavier and it looks a little bit bigger. And I only assume it's packing all that power to turn on that beast. And one thing that I like about the MacBook Pro power bricks, when you pull that off, see, it's the same thing. You can actually get an extension. That's a pro tip for you if you want to go longer on that. So here's the booklet instruction and all its goodies. Okay, you got that stuff there, whatever that is, blah blah blah. Welcome to the Mac instruction, and then you got this thing here, which is a lot of other stuff, blah blah blah, and you got stickers. Hey Uni, there's stickers. You like stickers, right? So these are space gray. It's pretty cool, huh? These are space gray versus your the older models MacBook Pro Predecessor came with the white MacBook Pro logo. These are space gray, which is pretty cool. That is nice. All right, so just going over this. Let's see here. Let's go to the settings. Let's see what's new in your desktop and screensaver, and it's really not much, just based on what I see here. There's really not a lot going on beside the same thing. Got that. These are all old. Yeah, so these are all old screensavers. There's really not much going on. It's the same thing. Let's go here. Those are pretty cool. There's one thing I do like. This is called drift. Let's see how it looks. Like, look at that. That is pretty sick, huh? That is pretty sick. Let me give you guys a review. There you go, right there. That is nice. That's pretty cool. It's got that little wavy thing going on there. And this MacBook Pro is capable because there's no glitches. It's just seamlessly smooth, as you can see. All right, everyone, so this is the new keyboard that Apple has implemented into the new MacBook Pro 16-inch. This is the base model, but you can see the difference. The escape button is separate, and also the Touch ID scanner is also separate versus your touch bar here. Okay, as you can see. And also This is no longer called a butterfly keyboard because the other ones had a lot of problem. This is called the Magic Keyboard by Apple. So one thing I did like about this is the trackpad. I mean, Apple has the best trackpad that I can say in the world. This one has the touch force, so the harder you press on it, the more force is implemented into whatever software that you're using. So it's kind of like pressure, right? If you press on the bottle too much, and the cap is kind of loose, it'll pop it off. That's kind of like what this touchpad is, and Apple has the best. And I would give Apple 2 thumbs up. I'll put it that way, 2 thumbs up, because they have the best trackpad. It's so sensitive than anything else. They perfected that. So 2 thumbs up to Apple.